Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Today is the day after the 29th, so guess what day that is? That is the day we're going to pick the winner of our beautiful juicer. So I am going to press record. This way you get to see everything I do on the screen. And here we go. I'm going to show you what I use. Okay, I use a random picker. And I am going to put the URL of my YouTube video right there. And then I'm going to press start. And it's going to give me the name of the winner. So are you ready, guys? Here we go. I am going to copy this. And by the way, the juicer is a CALMDO juicer. It is a masticating juicer. That means it squeezes everything out. And it gives you so much more juice than a regular juicer. So I am going to take that URL and we're going to go right there and we're going to paste it. And that will tell me how many comments were on this video. You ready, guys? And it tells me we have 132 unique commenters that commented under this video for the juicer. And so now all I have to do is press start and it's going to give me the name of the winner. And the winner is, oh my God, I can't believe who won. Miriam. Oh my God, I am so excited to be part of this giveaway. Thank you for this opportunity. I spent so many hours juicing by hand, like 2 bags of oranges to make 2 quarts of orange juice. 2 time consuming, and so a juicer is a total godsend. Yes, Miriam, you are the winner, and I know that you have been putting your name on all my giveaways, and you're always so sad that you never win. Guess what, Miriam? You are the winner of this juicer. I am so happy for you because I know you're always there on my videos. So I am gonna tell you what to do. If you go under here, I'm gonna show you. I had it already open for you. I'm gonna put it like this. Okay, so if you go under my video, right where it says show more, right there, you're gonna see 2 email addresses. One is my rawsomekitchen email address, and the other one is basically my art studio email address. But you know what? Either one you email me at, give me your address, and I will have them send out that beautiful masticating juicer to you. And I promise you're going to be a happy camper because this juicer is really, really nice. So I am going to say again, congratulations, Miriam. You are the winner. I am so happy for you because you always seem so sad when you never win. And I told you there's always that chance. So congratulations to you. And guess what, guys? Don't get discouraged. There's going to be more giveaways for all of you. And I'm going to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And we're at 85,200 subscribers. Soon I'll be at 100,000 subscribers. And I'm going to try my best to get you guys one of the best giveaways ever for that day. And guys, don't forget, if you haven't won, you can still pick up one of these beautiful juicers. There's some great discounts for you. I'll put the link for you under the description. So I'm going to say thank you again for all of you that keep coming to my channel. And I'm going to say I love you all. And I'm going to say, guess what, Miriam? You won this giveaway. So congratulations to you. So thank you, guys. And guess what? I'm going to see you in my next video.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.
bye.